Know nothing about that, and I'm intrigued as to the attention given to it, to be frank. So I don't really have a view on it, and I doubt if it'll materialise.
Is that a sentence you ever thought you'd say? Very, really surprising over the weekend, but confirmed by a number of security sources who have spoken to people close to the monk, saying that he is very seriously considering a run in the Dublin Central constituency. Opinion divided on how well he would do in such a case. I see the former Lord Mayor Neil Ring saying this morning he thinks that he would do quite well, and that even though the monk is associated with criminality in Dublin, he's also been supported and is almost like a celebrity really in the community in the North Inner City, or certainly parts of it, and was celebrated at the Kelly Harrington fight viewing that was on a couple of months ago during the Olympics. And then on the other side, we've seen over many years, and you've been reporting on it recently yourself, what crime has done to Dublin's inner city.